Don't go toe to toe with them. You don't have to explain why you are the way you are. You just keep being you, unapologetically. Don't stop loving yourself. Don't stop showing up and being good and doing good deeds. But at the same time, don't let people take advantage of you. Because you'll be so busy being kind that you'll forget to be kind to yourself. I know I have fallen into that category, being so good to so many people and forgetting to be good to myself. See, that's making the evil win. You got to remember yourself. You got to remember your own power. You got to remember your own light. You got to remember you got to go out there and be happy and use your gifts and love yourself. Because if you get so busy in supporting, you forget that you need support. See, that's how you can always find out who are the real, true people. Ask for some help. And that's when you're going to find out who really cares for you. Because people will always talk about, hey, if you need anything, just ask me. I'm just a phone call away. And then when you really do need help, it's crickets. Okay? And that doesn't mean that all the people that don't show up for you are evil. But I'm just saying that you have to take care of yourself. You have to make good decisions. And, sometimes that means that you have to go silent. That's one thing that I learned recently. I had to learn to start going silent and stop telling people my moves and what God was leading me to, what direction he was leading me to, and what path, and what he was saying, move away from that. And this is what I want you to do. You don't have to tell people, I think I'm going to do this, or I think I'm going to get my education. Just do it. Walk in silence and mind your business. Mind the business that God has put in you, the light that God is leading you to. I'm telling you, you never go wrong trusting your gut instinct. It's scary sometimes. It's scary to give into fears. It's scary to block people. It's scary to walk away from people. It's scary to believe in your hopes and dreams and to go for it anyways. Not saying that it's always going to be successful, not saying you're always going to win at everything, but when you give things your all, you got to stop listening to all of that white noise, all of the outside noise, and stay in your own bubble. Trust your gut instinct. When you know that you need to do something, go for it. So, and don't be people pleasing out there. Don't be try to be like anybody else. Just be unapologetically you. And when you see people are not trustworthy, do not support you. Actually, when you see they're stabbing people in the back and doing grimy things, stay away from those people. You don't even have to let them know that you know of it. You just back away. Simply block them and then move on with your life. See, evil people will never win forever. They may win for a moment. They may get away with their schemes. They may do things to other people. They may get people to turn aside from you and do all kinds of stuff to you. But at the end of the day, nobody can stop what God has started. And I hope that God will always continue to cover you and to bless you and support you and give you every single thing that you need. I hope you get the wildest desires, anything that you want. See, there's nothing too big for God. Talk to God. He can be your very best friend. I had to learn to develop my own relationship with God. See, I was putting so much time in relationships, all relationships, from siblings to your parents, to this person, to that person, and even pouring so much energy into working, into having material things. But at the end of the day, what's going to save your soul is that spiritual relationship. Having that connection, it will get you through the times when you feel down and discouraged and you're fighting with all sorts of issues and traumatic things happen to you. God can bring you back and put you back on solid ground again. He can heal any pain, anything that somebody has said and done to you. God is there. Don't hold back from opening your heart and speaking to him and telling him how you feel. Don't be scared to. Okay? And know that you're enough. Today, tomorrow.